हमने सरकार जो प्रोजेक्ट किया है वो ड्रिप इरिगेशन पे ऊपर है। उसके लिए गोवा गवर्नमेंट का यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट अप टू 90% सब्सिडी है।
This is a farm and different fruit bearing trees are planted in this farm. Pineapple plants. This is cancer fruit plant. This is a tree called noni fruit tree. You can drink juice of this fruit to detoxify your body. Then same way we have planted different fruit bearing trees here. And long there on the bund you can see the coconut trees. Now the major problem here comes in watering all these plants. So to water this plant, if you do it manually, it takes around 3.5 hours. There are two irrigation systems to irrigate these plants or water this plant. One is drip and other is sprinkler. In sprinkler there is wastage of water. Drip irrigation system is more considerable considering that it saves lot of water. And for the laying drip irrigation system for this farm, we have approached Goa government's agriculture department. Agriculture departments give subsidies for laying drip irrigation and many other facilities for agriculture purpose. So if you want to apply for drip irrigation system with Goa government, then first you have to register yourself as a farmer and get your Krishi card done by agriculture departments. Once your Krishi card is done, you are entitled to apply for any scheme that are available at agriculture department of Goa government.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पराग खड़ीलकर है। हमारे फॉर्म का नाम एस्पेंटराइजिस गोवा है। पिछले 30 ईयर्स से हम ये ड्रिप इरिगेशन में वर्क कर रहे हैं। मेनली जो अभी हमने सरकार जो प्रोजेक्ट किया है वो ड्रिप इरिगेशन पे ऊपर है। उसके लिए गोवा गवर्नमेंट का यहाँ पे अप टू 90% सब्सिडी है। जो ऑथराइज डीलर है उनके पास से अगर आप लिए तो ही सब्सिडी आपको मिलेगी। हम ऑथराइज डीलर है टू द गोवा गवर्नमेंट who can install the drip irrigation system.
First step to lay drip irrigation system is to dug trenches to lay down the water pipeline. Once these trenches are ready, the technician will lay down the pipeline meant for drip irrigation. The pipeline is laid down. Holes are drilled into the pipes so that the other flexible pipes are joined to these pipes to move to the water to plants. This is a flexible pipe which will move from tree to tree beneath its roots. These pipes are cut into pieces to make a ring to be kept around the stem or roots of the trees or plants.
Domet and take up.
He is inserting the domet and take up inside the pipe so that the pipe can be connected with the flexible pipe. Now the pipeline is laid down. Also the take up are inserted inside the holes that were made earlier so that the flexible pipes can be attached to this take up and will be taken to the roots of the tree. installing the water pump that will be inserted inside the well. यहाँ पे एक वाल्व लगाया जा रहा है जिसका काम ये है, जो एक्सेस वाटर है इज थ्रोन बैक इनटू द वेल. The switch, water is sucked through this pipe.
Here the drip irrigation system means small drop of water which will drop from the pipeline. We have used the Jain irrigation system here, Jain product, where we have used the inline system where the dripper is installed in the line only.
Excess water come back to the well.
Main important of the drip irrigation is where you can install it. You have some less water, and you have to irrigate a lot of area. Then you can use the drip irrigation system. It's the very good method of irrigation where you can save the water as compared to the other irrigation method.
यह है रामदास और मनोहर, ये दोनों टेक्नीशियन हैं जिन्होंने ये ड्रिप इरिगेशन इंस्टॉल किया है यहाँ पे, और ये पराग के कंपनी के साथ काम करते हैं. नाउ दिस फार्म इज इंस्टॉल्ड विद ड्रिप इरिगेशन एंड यू कैन सी ऑल पाइप्स आर इंस्टॉल्ड. सब कुछ अभी इरिगेट हो जाएगा बाय मीन्स ऑफ ड्रिप